To be or not to be, or how do we use a negative sentence in French? Well, this is a question we're gonna answer today. Welcome back to the channel Simple French with Thomas. Today we discover how to create the negative sentences in French, and you're gonna notice it's actually very simple. How does it work? We're gonna see 5 different ways of doing it, and the way to build up a negative sentence is that way. Let's start first with a positive sentence. Je suis Thomas. Je suis Thomas. And now negative. Je ne suis pas Thomas. And this is how it's gonna work. Ne being before the verb and pas being after. In this context, je ne suis pas Thomas means I am not Thomas, but you can also say different things by basically changing pas. Ne will be most of the time the same in your sentence. In some cases, actually, it will be changed by an apostrophe. Why? Well, if you do have a verb starting with a vowel, like for example, je n'ai pas 20 ans, I don't have 20 years old, je n'ai pas 20 ans, you're not gonna say ne ai pas 20 ans. You're just gonna say ne, an apostrophe ai. Sounds better. Alright, what are the other forms you can use in French to create a negation? So we just saw ne pas, which is a basic do not or not. You also have ne plus, which basically means not anymore. You could say, for example, je ne mange plus de viande. I don't eat meat anymore. Je ne mange plus de viande. Ne, verb, plus. You could also have jamais. Jamais means never. Je ne dors jamais. I never sleep. Je ne dors jamais. Those 3 ones are probably the most common ones. You're also gonna have the rien. Rien, it's nothing. Like if I say, je ne dis rien. Je dis rien or je ne dis rien. I don't say nothing. And the last one works a tiny bit differently because it will be the word que. And que will basically brings this concept of only. Like for example, je ne mange que des légumes. I only eat vegetables. Je ne mange que. Or if I say, je ne parle que français. I only speak French. And this will be the 5 main forms you're gonna find when you speak French and you wanna create a negative sentence. Now there is something I would like to precise. When you're gonna use pas, plus or jamais, you're gonna have to be careful the way you use them depending what you say. Example, je mange de la viande. When you're gonna say this negatively, de la viande basically means some, de la viande, some meat. I eat some meat. The negation form will be je ne mange pas de viande. Or if I say j'achète du chocolat. Du, it's also a partitive article, but this time is masculine. De la viande, it's female. Du, it's masculine. Du chocolat. The negation form will be je n'achète pas de chocolat. Or if I say j'ai des enfants, I have kids or I have some kids. J'ai des enfants. Now if I do the negation form, it will be je n'ai pas d'enfants. They disappeared to be replaced by the apostrophe, which basically will be the same than de when you say je n'achète pas de chocolat, but enfant starts with a vowel, so the apostrophe. This will be specific to de la, du and des. You will have to transform them into de or the apostrophe when you create a negative sentence. This is specifically for the partitive articles. And this is basically all you need to know with the negation. If you do have any question about this subject, leave a comment below the video. Don't forget to subscribe and I see you soon. À bientôt.